Part of a comprehensive rebranding, Denmark's Radio, the Danish Broadcasting Corporation, also known as DR, set out to define their audible DNA and create a holistic sound identity across all their service, media and content brands and platforms. Being the largest broadcast media enterprise and public service organization in Denmark, this is the first time since its foundation in 1925 that a unifying audible brand is being developed. And the creative sound agency Unmute, together with DR Design, were trusted with the task. The brief was simple: create coherency through sound, to make sure that the main DR brand is present at any time and can coexist with the individual identity of the many sub-brands, all aligned with the new visual identity and overall brand strategy. So whenever you're visiting one of the 6 TV channels, 7 radio stations, numerous websites or 3 streaming services, you should always feel the DR brand shine through. The creative sound concept took inspiration in the legacy of Denmark's radio and the role it has played in Danish music history. Unlike any other media brand, DR has been synonymous with the art of music, both performed and recorded. Therefore, the core of the sound identity had to capture the essence and distinctive nature of what we might call the Danish song. With respect for the past, we've brought the present DR audibly into the future, or as we've called it, the sound of DR as you've always known but never heard before. Among the DR sound identity elements are a main sonic logo, opening sound for streaming apps, idents and music beds for Flow TV, and music idents for TV and radio programs. The DR sound identity plays a big part in the rebranding of Denmark's radio, and especially on a competitive streaming market, it's helping DR to stand out from the crowd. Throughout 2021 and for years to come, DR and Unmute will continue to roll out the DR sound identity by nurturing it as an intrinsic part of the brand design and integrating it across even more DR brands, channels and content.